Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Jeep Cherokee, 1997 to 2001. Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee controls circuits for interior components like lights, radio, and power windows. It includes fuses and relays essential for electrical system protection. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee gasoline manages high current circuits like the fuel pump cooling fan and ABS. It houses maxi fuses and relays for critical engine and drivetrain functions. Designed for durability, it ensures reliable power distribution under varying conditions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee diesel supports major systems like glow plugs, fuel injection, and engine management. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays tailored for diesel-specific components. Built for efficiency, it ensures stable operation of vital powertrain elements. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.